All right, let's get the crank rods and pistons out of this and check those bearings. First bearing I pulled, that's the rod bearing for number 1 cylinder. There's no indication of an oversize on it. It just says Clevite has a number. Piston skirt's got a little bit of scoring on it. And the number 1 piston has like a chunk taken out of it. All right, so right away, cylinder doesn't have anything in there other than discoloration. Very, very, very slight ridge. No cross hatching though. So just from what we found on the first one, we know we're doing pistons. I'm going to get the rest of this out of here and we'll see if we find anything worse than that. The oil ring on the number 1 piston wasn't doing anything. So I did notice there's a 55 on the pump, so that's a milling pump. So I'm having a hard time understanding. Someone went in here and did half the work. I don't know, we'll see in a few minutes. Okay, here's where we're at. Factory crank bearings for the mains. Someone went in and did rod bearings, but didn't do the cam bearings, and they reused the factory pistons without doing rings. All right, I think we know what we have to do here. We're going to go ahead and clean this all up. I'll mic the cylinders, check everything, make sure, see how bad we are at a round, and then we'll take it from there. Stay tuned. We're going to do this one rather quickly. I wasn't expecting to have to change pistons here. I was just going to do a quick rebuild with rings, but we got that one piston that has signs of detonation, so let's do the right thing. Put new cam bearings, main, rod bearings, pistons, cam, the whole 9 yards. See, this is what happens in hot rodding. It starts off with good intentions, and then it just snowballs into that. All right, I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.